Alright, what's up guys? Gonna, I guess, test out my mic placement again. It should be good. Anyway, right now I'm gonna go to Fry's. I'm gonna get me some of that there sweet tea. Hell yeah! I gotta get some of that there sweet tea to drink on Thursday. Shit. In my country we don't drink sweet tea. In my country we drink vodka. You wake up, you drink vodka for breakfast, you drink vodka for lunch, and then you drink vodka for dinner. Later you drink vodka just for fun. Don't know what is this sweet tea. It is like brown Kool-Aid. That is weird. In my country we only drink vodka. Oh, come on, light. I know you want to turn green. You're not going to make me stop. Oh, you bitch. And now you'll... Oh, of course you'll turn green right now. Because you're a piece of shit. Well then get on over, dumbass! You're gonna come over? Jesus! Oh, do I come over or do I not come over? At least he saw me. I guess that's a good thing. I picked the wrong lane. Okay, riding position. How about that as a topic? Where on the road do you like to ride? I like to rape the shit out of the line that divides the lanes, because the cars in the other lane here will be less likely to come over here into my lane than if I was riding over, say, over here. They have the tendency of wanting to get over there. So I like to ride right here on this line because it makes the other drivers just aware of me. Like, they don't really want to be near me. They think I'm going to come over. Okay, in situations like this where it's divided by 3, I still just ride over here. You just be more aware of people. You know, it's kind of a different story then. Like, I'm gonna turn over here, so I'll just come over here now, and I can ride like right here. And it kind of makes people feel like worried, like, oh, he might come over here. I should probably pay attention. But yeah, that you just kind of figure out where you want to be. But yeah, I always like to ride on the line. It's I don't know. It's what I like to do. Obviously, you don't ride in the middle. That's dumb. I see people do that all the time. I don't even know why. You can just, you can die. How about that? You can just die. What are the consequences of riding in the middle lane? Oh, you can die. I mean, I guess that's the consequences of riding a motorcycle, but hey. Riding in the middle lane just increases your chances. So yeah, I'm right in the middle lane. Wow, I gotta turn here. That ain't gonna happen. I don't have to turn here. What the fuck am I talking about? So yeah, I like to rape this line. Like you can see down traffic riding on the line, you know. Like obviously right now I can see right down all the traffic. I can have a place to go if I have an emergency. You know, if somebody's not paying attention, I mean that's not the case right now, but if I was sitting here and somebody come flying up behind me and I saw them, I can go between those cars. And I'll be totally safe. Lane splitting isn't legal here, otherwise I'd be up there. The same thing, you know, with riding. If the car in front of me, you know, slams on his brakes, I don't have a place to go, or, you know, whatever, I can still split down the lane. The car in front of me fucking hits a car in front of him, I don't know. I don't have time to shit! Yeah, I don't have time to shit. I gotta turn there. I don't have time to react. Oh, I can do it now. I just go hauling balls off this line. I can go down the middle lane. That was all in the same sentence. Anyway, like I was saying, the car smashes into something in front of me or something, and there's an accident. I can shoot down the middle lane and be alright. So, I like the line. It's a good place to be. Fuck is that thing? Oh my god. Lost my damn gear for a minute. I'm only hauling balls in the parking lot, it's not a big deal. As a motorcyclist, it's like, where do you park? Oh, never mind. You park here. Oh, yeah. Cheer! No? Alright. Alright. I got my tea. And I didn't drink it yet, so I'm still thirsty. Got it in my backpack, which is like sitting on my seat, so it's kind of awkward. Whatever, still in my backpack, can't go anywhere. Maybe the straps can come off my shoulders. Gotta lean forward, I don't know. I love motorcycle parking, it's awesome. Let's do this, watch. Chill! Oh man. Damn! It's a nice ass car. I want one. Fuck this noise, I'm going. Alrighty. Now, I'm gonna go get me some free food. AKA the grandparents. I'm gonna go over there, I'm gonna eat me some food. 'Cause I'm hungry and it's free. Yeah. We'll get back to our normal scheduled programming after this red light. Tis a god. Did you know that prehistoric camels migrated from the North American origin across the now submerged land? How did the Ice Age change Canada forever? Learn more about someplace at uhaul.com. Where will you go next? Yeah! Damn! It's a nice car, man! It's a nice car! I bet it's fast! I said I bet it's fast! Oh yeah, listen to it. Oh yeah. My God, that thing is sexy. I would like to have one. Mrs. Motorsource Rex is gonna watch this and pretty much drool on the computer. Okay, I go now. You probably can't even hear me right now. I'm hauling balls and it's windy. Windy as fuck. Shit. Doing 75 and a 55 only because I want to see this car. God damn, it's nice. Fuck you, wind! Oh shit, I gotta get in the other lane, I forgot. Teleport! And we're here. So I did steal that teleport from Baker X Derek. Sorry, Baker X Derek. Hope you don't mind. You don't get to know where they live. They live in an old people place. Because they're old people, and they live in the old people place. It is a dove. I always worry about being too loud driving through here. My bike's not even loud, but I always worry about it. And my grandpa drives a Harley, rides a Harley, and it's loud, and it's awesome. It's like, America, just like that. I don't even know why I worry. Speaking of the Harley, there's one, I don't know where the other one's at. He drove away. He's probably out getting food or I don't know what he's doing. He's doing something. Alright. Head our asses home. Had a good dinner. Visited for a little while. I gotta head home. Old guy didn't wave at me. He's like, "You're not old. I'm not gonna wave at you. I'm gonna sit on my cart." Okay. Teleport. What's up, guys? I'm a blue truck. Yeah. from Oregon. Me and my blue truck from Oregon. Just a random chick walking down the street. Okay. Okay, so I should do a vlog on what do you vlog about, because I have no idea what you vlog about. You get people, they say, you know, oh, you vlog about whatever, you know, whatever comes to mind. Or, you know, you get some of them like plan it out, you know, which I should probably do, because I'm pretty sure if I do whatever comes to mind, it's going to be the most random, backwards, crazy shit that comes out of my head, which is pretty weird stuff. So that's probably not the best of all ideas ever made for me to just... Of course you would turn green. But anyway, that's probably not the best idea for me. This old guy... Anyway, because... Yeah, that's some pretty weird stuff that comes out of my head. So I don't think that'll work. And the things that I would just normally think about, to just talk, I don't whenever I ride. Normally I'm in my helmet up in here just like humming and singing. And I guess I talk shit a lot. So I mean, that'll be funny, I think. I don't know. But, yeah. I don't really know what to vlog about. Just, yeah, I don't know. This guy with his mattress on his top. What the hell? What are you doing? Chill! They're like holding their mattress on top of the car while they drive. Oh my god. That's great. Oh man. That's pretty funny. Oh, nobody wanted to see that! Yeah. Oh my Lanta. Oh my god. Ah. That's just not right.